Hey everyone! In this video I'll guide you through the process of returning Seatgeek tickets. So, let's jump right in. Firstly, open your internet browser and navigate to google.com. Search for Seatgeek and click on the first link, which will direct you to the Seatgeek website. If you're using a computer or laptop, the steps will be the same. However, if you're on a mobile or tablet device, you can also perform this action using the Seatgeek application. Once on the website, create an account if you haven't already, and then log in. After logging in, click on your profile icon located in the top right corner if you're using a mobile or tablet device. For computer or laptop users, hover over your profile icon and click on Tickets. Here, if you're eligible for a ticket return, your tickets will be displayed. If eligible, you'll see an option to return your tickets. Simply click on Return Ticket to proceed. And that's how you return your tickets on Seatgeek. If you found this video helpful, thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one. Peace out.